Hello, welcome back to another episode of I, Captain of My Ship. Today I like to talk about how to become the best version of yourself, how to become the best parent, how to become a better parent, how to become a better employee, how to become a better spouse, how to become a better person, or something that you want to go to and want to become, and or maybe to become the best sporter in life. You have some goals and some things in life you look forward to. How to become a person like that? Well, first of all, what is being taught, and I do believe that it is true, that look around you and look around at the 5 persons you spend the most time with, because you will become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So, are they inspiring you? Are they helping you to move to the next version of yourself? Do they believe in you? How do you feel around them? And how do they make you feel? Um, that's important because you become the average of them. And can you do if you feel you're not being surrounded with inspiring people? What are some things that you can do? Look around you up at all the positivity, all the possibilities that there are available today. Nowadays, we are full with possibilities that you can use to become a better version of you. For example, watch YouTube videos, podcasts, follow people on Instagram that inspire you, because those people also inspire you to become a better version of yourself. So look at your Instagram account. Are you following people who make you feel bad or make you feel worse? Stop following them. Follow people who inspire you. Follow people who make you feel better or wants to work on yourself and become a better person of yourself. How come that I just all of a sudden like to talk about this? Because the last few days I had the privilege that my sister, who lives in Curacao with her family, their beautiful family, beautiful lovely husband and beautiful 4 children they have, she came to the Netherlands to show her little baby here in the Netherlands to family. So, and she spent the time with me, and I really love my sister, and she's a light in my life. Um, she always makes me feel a better person, and always inspires me to become a better person of myself. And she's special someone in my life. And yes, I can follow her on Instagram, and I do. I can call her, and of course we can keep in touch. But for me, it was inspiring to be surrounded with a present for a few days. And yeah, I really loved spending time with her. So she inspired me, and that's why I thought, yeah, it's important to surround yourself and look at the possibilities that we do have. So again, look at your own surroundings and make sure that you are surrounded with people who believe in you, who inspire you to become the next version, the best version of yourself. Because I believe in you, and I do believe that if you want to become a more pleasant person to be with, or a better parent, or a better employee, or whatever your dreams are, I believe that you have everything inside of you that you need to become that person. I truly believe so. So I hope to inspire you and to look at your own surroundings and to believe in yourself. Never give up, because it's the voices in your head that keeps you away from your dreams. But I know that it's possible for you to achieve your dreams and to work on your goals step by step. So keep dreaming, keep working, keep moving into the direction that you want to go, because you can achieve everything in life that you want. So that's it for today. I hope I inspired you and look forward to talk to you next time. Bye bye.